will show you is the lowest instrument, the lowest sounding instrument in our string ensemble, and it rhymes with jello. It's called the cello. Cello. Hello, cello. And the cellos are going to play a song called
Marching Along.
But first, they will show us how low their sounds get. Let's hear each string 4 times. Ready? 1, 2, very good. Are you ready for marching along? Ready? I'll start with you and then we'll do all that. Is called the viola section. And let's look at the viola's instruments. Can you hold them up in the air? You'll see that some of the violas look kind of big. Like this one looks pretty big, and some of them look kind of small. Remember, that's because they come in different sizes, just like the t-shirts on your back. They come in different sizes. Let's see the violins again. And let's see the violas next to them. So they're similar, but they're going to make a lower sound. Let's hear the sound of the viola. They sound lower than the violins, but higher than the cellos. Ready? 4 times. And we're going to play a song for you called Merry-Go-Round. So imagine yourself on a merry-go-round in the summer. together as a group now. We're all together going to play a song called The Spanish Dancer. And this song is special because not only are we going to use this thing, who remembers what that's called? The bow. But we're also going to pluck our strings. And I know some people know what that's called. It sort of sounds like when you put a pizza and an avocado together. It's called pizzicato. Pizza what? Pizzicato means plucking or strumming the strings, just like you would on a guitar. So you will hear our orchestra doing pizzicato and arco. They're going to switch back and forth, bowing and plucking. So we have two more pieces to share with you, and our next one is called Rumble in the Jungle. And Rumble in the Jungle is really fun because each piece we're playing for you is getting a little bit harder and a little bit harder, leading up to our very last song. And in this next piece, we are all going to play different notes at the same time. So far, everybody's been playing together, and that's called unison. Can you say unison? Unison! And a different way of playing together is called harmony. Can I hear you say harmony? Harmony. So in this next piece, you will hear unison and harmony from our different sections. Yes. will have the opportunity to be third graders and to play with instruments other than the one that you play, if you play one already. So we'll have violin, viola, and cello in our string ensemble, and we hope that many soon-to-be third graders will join and play in this fun group with us. And pre-kindergarten, kindergarten, first and second grade, we hope you're thinking, down the road, would I like to play an instrument too? Would I have fun doing these things? We will be finishing our performance for you with Power Rock. And here are some audience parts for this. We're going to ask you to help us stomp and clap. And you'll know it's time to stop stomping and clapping when I go like this. Okay? So let me hear you try this as a practice. Just this. Stomp, stomp, clap. Stomp, stomp, clap. Oh, almost. Let's try that again. Let me see. I'm going to surprise you. Did everybody see me? Go like this if you can. Go like this if you can. Thank you. Let's try that again. I want you to start. Stomp, stomp, clap. I'll show you how to start. And I want you to stop when you see me go like this. And let's see if you can be like statues or like wax museum. Totally still when you see the cut up. Are you ready? Here we go.